You've probably never heard of this gecko species. I like to call it the arid morning gecko, and we'll find out a bit later in the video. But this is the Bynoe's gecko. Heteronotia binoei. They are endemic to Australia, and they can be found pretty much everywhere in Australia, other than a couple patches in the far south. Now, in terms of habitat, obviously that is going to be very, very varied. It's mainly going to be different types of dry woodland and grassland area, but you can pretty much find them anywhere from the tropical rainforest all the way to the drier desert central Australian areas. Now, they are going to be insectivores, so they're going to eat lots of different insects, moths, bugs, grasshoppers, loads of different things like that. And they're going to be hunting them at night because they are a nocturnal species, active at night, coming out from under rocks and logs to actively feast during that nighttime. Now, the most interesting thing about the Bynoe's gecko, like I alluded to earlier being the arid morning gecko, they have the same ability to reproduce themselves. They can reproduce by parthenogenesis, which effectively is like cloning themselves. In the absence of a male, they can lay fertilized eggs and basically clone themselves, which is pretty impressive. But they are the arid version. Morning geckos are found on those Pacific tropical islands. These are basically desert dwellers. So there's certain populations which reproduce more by parthenogenesis. They have far less males in the population. Unfortunately, that fertility is a lot less. It's about 30% less. But actually, these guys can reproduce by themselves. And we've even produced them here at Predatory Exotics. We've produced baby Bynoe's geckos by parthenogenesis without the need of a male, which is super impressive.